Oh boy, here we go again. Tesla Model S 2016. Charge port issued door again. You know I just got this thing repaired too, remember? I did a video. Replaced the whole charge port system. Now the door is not opening. And I don't know what is going on. Time for a service call. Before we make that service call, let's take a look at the different ways we can open the charge port to see if that gets us the results we're looking for.
Mini skirt on, dip my body in glitter. Platform sneakers, all the boys want a picture. Tip forward cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with ya. Mini skirt on, dip my body in glitter. Platform sneakers, all the boys want a picture. Tip forward cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with ya.
So if we go to the lightning bolt, you'll see the open charge port there. She's working. We close it back up. Next method, hit the car. That's working. Number 3, push the charge port itself. Number 4, press and hold the rear trunk for the key fob. That's working. And lastly, number 5, on the app. And of course, I'm recording on my cell phone, so I'll show you that one. Don't worry. Charge port, cell phone, app, controls. See that little lightning bolt? Here we go. Watch it. Wait for it. Boom. It's that simple. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, as my son says. And of course, when you're at the charge port, if you grab the handle, see that button on top of your charge cable? Press, open, and insert. Another Tesla lifestyle video down. 2016 Model S. She's a little temperamental from time to time, but she's a beauty. Maybe it was just a glitch, as my son likes to call it. I don't know. But looks like we are up and running. Also, there's also a possibility that there might be an update that was required. I did a full reboot of the system, and shortly thereafter, I was able to utilize the push button for opening of that charge port. So as you can see, all systems are go. It must have been a temporary glitch, as my son would say. He likes that word glitch.
Baby, I'm not going home with y'all.